Hello everyone, I am back with another voiceover after quite a while. Today we're going to make this amazing little flip book. I got inspired from one of Vivian's videos. Her handle is the Paper Letter Blog. Do check her out, she's amazing. And let's cover the process video for this one. So we are starting with two main pieces of cardstock measuring 5 inches by 11 and 1/8 inches and 4 inches by 10 and a quarter inches. The first one is scored at 4 inches, 4.5 inches, 5 inches, 9.5 inches, and 9 3/4 inches. And the second cardstock is scored at half inches and 5 3/8 of an inch. But you feel free to adjust the measurements according to your needs. I have also added the measurements in the description for reference. Now, as you can see, I'll be folding along the score lines and turning this into a pocket. I wanted to take this opportunity and talk about my scarce presence on YouTube. For a few months, my personal life has been keeping me busy. There's nothing wrong, everything is fine. It's just that it has been really busy. And as you know, I do this for a hobby. So although I have been crafting in my leisure time, I haven't had the opportunity to record and add a voiceover because it's a very time consuming process. However, I took a vacation towards the end of the year. Now I'm well rested and I'm happy to make this video. And I'm having so much fun getting back to creating videos and crafting. So it's just a small explanation of why I haven't been around that much. So those of you who are familiar with making mini albums will recognize this notch over here. It's a very popular way to add pages to your album, and I'm using that technique to add the pocket here. I'm going to add a magnetic closure for this particular flip book, but previously I had made ones where I had punched a hole and tied it with a string, and I think that's what Vivian did for her video as well. So if you do not have magnets, you can tie it with a string as well. But in case you are planning to use magnets, you can observe how I put the magnets in the correct position. I forgot to stick the notch, so I'm using double-sided tape to stick the notch together, and then I'll use the cardstock for the pocket. I'll include it so that I can get the right thickness before I stick down the other side of the magnet. Now that our base and the pocket is ready, it's time to decorate the flip book. Using this beautiful winter theme paper from Echo Park, and the flowers that I use later are from Hobby Lobby. Oh, this blue leafy paper is from Paper Studio at Hobby Lobby as well. So there you have the completed flipbook. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button and share the video with your friends. Please also consider subscribing to my channel, and for more crafty content, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.